welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys this install. I made this closure wig and I'm just going to show you guys how I put it on. I got this hair from Allovehair company. Shout out to them. This is their curly hair. It feels all types of amazing. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I put this wig on, seeing how I define these curls, all that good stuff, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Also, when it comes to curly hair, I find that I only use one product. So if you guys have any other curly hair product suggestions, leave them in the comments below because I need to try some new ones. So continue watching. Okay guys, so this is the package that I received in the mail. It did come with DHL. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open the package to show you guys exactly what I received. So the bundles and closure came in this box from Allovehair company. In the box, I received a 20-inch closure. This closure was a 4x4. So this is how the closure looks. It is a 4x4. As you can see, the curl pattern. And I'm just showing you how it looks against my skin as well. So I received 2 bundles of 26 inches. And also I received 2 24 bundles. So in total, I received 2 24 bundles, 2 26 bundles, and a 20-inch closure. So I just took this bundle out of the pack to show you guys exactly how the bundle looks. And I will be back to show you guys how I applied this closure wig once I've made it. So this wig is made. This is a lot of hair, but this wig is made. This is the closure and then the inside. So I did use a different closure just because I found that the lace on the closure that they provided was a bit too dark for my skin tone, so it wouldn't really work. So right now I am just going to tint this closure, and I'm using the Wig Guru's lace tint. Mine's basically almost done, and I'm just gonna spray. And I normally just spray with the part that I'm using, so I'm spraying along the hairline and I'm spraying down the middle part. So yeah, that should be good. And then I am going to dry it with my blow dryer because it's currently wet. So starting off, I am going to go ahead and cut the extra lace off this closure. Normally I use smaller scissors, but I do not have any right now. So this is going to have to work. And I'm just going in a zigzag motion as close to the hairline as possible. So the excess lace is off. Now I'm going to cut this thick edge off. Well, not all of it, but just like I'm cutting off like 1/2 inch off the sides. And once that is done, I am going in with this elastic band. And this elastic band is just to help keep the wig on my head because I am not gluing this wig down. So it really just gets measured to the closure to keep it secure. So what I do is I place one end on the closure like this, and I'm gonna sew it down. So it's just sewed on like this. And now I'm going to fit the elastic onto my head. So I'm gonna measure this elastic band. And you don't want to pull the elastic too tight because it will give you a headache. So I feel like here is good. So I'm just going to cut it. And I'm just going to sew the next end onto the next side. Okay, so now my elastic band is on my wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and slip this wig on. And just like that. I look crazy. I look insane. So I'm gonna really get my middle part. So on this wig, I used both 26 inches, a 24 inch, and I used half of the next 24 inch with this 7x7 closure. And I believe this was either a 16 inch or an 18 inch. So what I'm going to do is, before I wet this hair, I'm going to use my hot comb and try to flatten the top. Don't ever use your hot comb on wet hair, especially if it's on your scalp, because you're gonna end up burning yourself. So I'm just going in with my wax stick. I'm just laying it. Okay, so now that we have this top part on flat, I'm going in with my water bottle and I'm just going to wet this hair to show you guys how it looks. So I did try to add as much hair as I could in this wig just because I wanted it to look really full. And I'm kind of getting this, like it's coming along quite nice. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wet this side and be back. Okay, so now that I'm basically wet, my hair is basically wet for the most part, I'm going in with my Soft Sheen, the Wave Nouveau. It's the moisturizing finishing lotion. I use this all the time in my curly hair. I've never had a problem with it. I use what works for me. This works for me. So if you guys have any other curly hair products, let me know. I don't mind trying new ones out, but this has always been good to me, so I'm still using it. So I'm gonna take quite a bit just because I have a lot of hair in, and I'm going to rub it all well. So I'm just gonna go in and make a little bit of baby hairs right here. I am definitely a baby hair type of girl. So if you don't want baby hairs, you don't have to do it, but I like baby hairs. So I'm using this Chi helmet head. So I'm just gonna give myself a little swoop right at the front there. Okay. Now that I have my baby hairs, my little 1-2s, I'm going back in with my hot comb. Okay, and now I'm just going to conceal my part. So I'm going to take my concealer, the back of my tail comb, and I'm going to just run it along my part. Okay, so now that my part is concealed, I'm basically done. Like, this is it. I do wish I had a longer closure to match this hair, but I mean, okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something from it. Don't forget to check out Allovehair. All the hair details will be listed down in my description box, so you guys can check them out. These curls feel so soft, they feel amazing. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button, click that post notification bell. Yeah, leave a comment below if you are new here. Hey. And yeah, I'll be back with another video, so you guys stay tuned. Okay.